I like sound. I don't think I like stillness or quiet. Well, the cello in particular, I love how it feels. I know everything about the posture that it takes to play the cello, and I feel like I can activate all of my body and just like put forth this sound energy into the world. And plus, when you play the cello, like you feel the vibrations like in your legs and in your chest and then in your hands. So like you're making music, but you're also feeling the music and like becoming it bodily. So I started writing when I was in middle school, so around the same time that I started cello, and it's just like an outlet of expression, I think. I have a project called Zioma. That's like my stage name, superhero name. I'm actually in the middle of recording my EP. I've recorded all the cello for that, so I have vocals to do in December, and I'm releasing it. The plan is to release it in like February. But also like there's just a lot of space to fill, and like pop music has a lot of layers. So it's been a challenge to figure out like what is the role of the cello in this situation. I found that it can do everything. It can do percussion, it can do bass, it can do the electric guitar, it can be a guitar. I started school at University of Michigan. I was studying music there. It's a very competitive environment. On top of that is after the first year there, I was like, I don't think I like playing the cello anymore. There was a couple years where I wasn't in school. I went to school, then I dropped out, and then I moved back to Ohio. But then at home, I found that I couldn't stop playing the cello. And I wasn't in school, but I was studying with Mark Rudolph, who is the cello professor here. And he invited me to play Bach with Cello Ohio. And then I decided to finish my degree here. And definitely Mark Rudolph, my cello professor, has been huge, because the thing about being a music performance major is that you're expected to do classical music only, and I have hesitated to go back to school because of that, but Mark has kind of championed me doing whatever I want, and he's like, how can we build that? So that's been incredibly helpful, and I wouldn't be in school without that.
She honored me by saying, I think I want to study with you in university. And yes, she's also taught me more than I think I've taught her.
The entire cello studio is amazing and like super helpful and encouraging and inspirations to me. And I know I'll be writing music forever.